Namaste everyone, welcome to Kalaspurti channel Art Inspiration. Before we are going to the video, please like, share, subscribe our channel.
Hi friends, my name is Gautam Gare. I am going to show you a very special thing, that is my electronic keyboard. This keyboard is very special for me, and in this video I am going to teach you how can we use these keys. These are very easy keys and you can learn it fastly. And this electronic keyboard is the best option for the beginner electronic keyboard players. So let's get started. And this is an adapter by which we can on this electronic keyboard. And this is the big jocket DC to AC converter, and this is also a DC to AC converter but small jocket. Now I'm going to show you how can we connect this to the electronic keyboard. Now this is a DC to AC adapter and this is a mic adapter. Now we are going to keep this bigger one into this DC to AC adapter on the electronic keyboard. And later on I am going to tell you about the mic adapter. And if you don't have the adapter or if it's lost, you can use battery one. See, there is another option, that is the battery one. You have to keep 6 batteries, but I have the adapter, so I am using the adapter now. Switch. This is on and off switch. The next switch is these 5 switches, 2 pink and 3 orange. These gives us the music like these gives the drum music, and you can take a mic and sing the songs. And here is the mic. This is free of cost while buying this one. And to stop the music, just click on this red button. So the music stops. Not only the music, for anything you want to stop, you can just click on the stop. Now the next key is the volume one. The maximum volume of this electronic keyboard is 16. And this key refers to lowering the voice, and this one to high the voice. The volume keys and the tempo keys are looking like same, but they are very different from each other. But before explaining about the tempo keys, I want to explain about these keys. First key is sustain. First, on clicking on sustain, you will get a different voice of the electronic keyboard while you are playing, like it vibrates very much and hears very loudly. And vibrato. On clicking on vibrato and playing the keys, it comes the sound like it vibrates. And this single is like it gives a background music while you're playing the electronic keyboard, matching to your music. Next key is the finger. On clicking on finger, it gives the sound like it's also the same, but it gives a drum sound. That's the difference between single and finger. Now, these 2 keys, the timbre and the rhythm, are really important keys. This electronic keyboard not only giving the piano sound, it also gives some other instrument sounds like piano, bass, organ, trumpet, guitar, violin and bell. Here you can see. And the rhythm of piano is tango, bass is samba, organ is rumba. So don't get confused. They both are same. Now I am going to demonstrate it. On clicking on plus, it will change to bass. On clicking on plus, again it will change to organ. It will change the instrument. On clicking on minus, it will go again to the bass. Now I am going to demonstrate the trumpet. Just clicking on 3 pluses, you will go to the trumpet, which is 5. Very nice. Now, like this, there are 10, up to piano to flute. And about these keys, you will understand in my upcoming videos. Now, these green keys. On clicking on demo all, there will come many musics playing. And these musics are noted here. There are 6 musics. On clicking on demo 1, one by one, all the musics will come like and these musics are also just same as the first 5 keys that I have shown you. These 5 keys are similar to these. The another option here is record. If you click on record, the song which I have played here will record like this. And if you want to replay it, just click on the replay. Just like that. And the last mode is the drum mode. On clicking on drum mode, you will get a drum sound on playing piano. And you can observe here that there is no drum mode. So that's why it's given differently for drum mode. And this is a very special mode. And the last but not the least is the tempo key. As I have told you about the demo, while playing the demo, you can adjust the speed of the demo like, see, the speed is lowering. On clicking on plus, the speed increases. Just like that. That's it friends, that's all about my wonderful electronic keyboard. On my next video, I am going to teach you about octaves and naming the keys. Thank you. Surprise to all of you. Now I will show you the Kolkata weather. Oh my god! Heavy rain in Kolkata.